Magandang hapon, mga kabayan. Ngayon po ay pag-aaralan po natin yung Golden Success Blueprint. Kailangan po nating malaman to para ito ay ang ating mga guidelines para maging successful sa Golden Gate business. So, ini-encourage ko kayo na makinig at manood from the start hanggang sa dulo. So, umpisan na po natin yung training about Golden Gate Success Blueprint. So, una nating i-discuss is leadership. What is leadership? Leadership is the ability to guide and influence individuals or groups towards achieving a common goal. Isa sa mga definition po yan. Pangalawang definition ng leadership is a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. The future belongs to those who believes in the beauty of their dreams. Our time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Build our own dreams, or someone else will hire us to build theirs. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Ngayon naman, i-discuss natin yung tinatawag na financial path. Mayroon po tayong tatlo na category ng financial path. Ang una, yung sidewalk. Ito yung tinatawag nating poverty. Living paycheck to paycheck, poor money management, at mayroon tayong instant gratification. Yan po yung mga katangian ng isang sidewalk. Pangalawang category ay yung slow lane. Ah, Ang slow lane naman ay mediocrity, traditional advice, get a job, save, invest in mutual funds, retire at 65. Pangatlong category ng financial path ay yung tinatawag na fast lane. Dito makikita na natin yung wealth, entrepreneurship, leverage, skill, and creating systems to achieve wealth young. Financial freedom is available to those who learn about it and work for it. Yan yung tinatawag nating financial freedom. So, mayroon po tayong cash flow quadrant na sinulat ng isang financial advisor by the name of Robert Kiyosaki. Sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, ang mayroon tayong apat na kategory ng income. Una ay yung employee. Yan po yung ginagawa ng karamihan ngayon. You have a job, you will exchange your time for money. Mayroon din tayong pangalawang category na kung tawagin ay self-employed. You own a job. Compared sa employee, mas maganda ang self-employed kasi ikaw yung boss ng iyong ah, sariling company. Tapos, ang pangatlo ay yung business owner. At ang pang-apat, yung investor. So, ang goal natin dito ay from employee or self-employed, dapat i-shift natin yung income natin from active income to passive income. Yung passive income ay yun ang nai-enjoy ng isang business owner at investor. Kung business owner ka, you own a system that works for you. At pag investor ka naman, money works for you. Ang halimbawa ng isang business owner ay ang KFC, McDonald's. Kumikita ka dito dahil dun sa system na ginawa mo at yung system, yun ang magtatrabaho para sa'yo. At yung investor naman, kagaya ng Facebook, Amazon, ito ay yung mga nag-create ng Facebook kagaya ni Mark Zuckerberg, siya po ay maituturing na investor because one click one click mo sa Facebook, kumikita siya bawat click ng isang tao sa Facebook. Kaya money works for Mark Zuckerberg kasi siya ang investor. Siya ay isang investor na gumawa ng Facebook. So, nandito naman yung distribution ng wealth. 95% ng population ay nasa category ng employee saka self-employed. At ang nai-enjoy lang nila na kayamanan or yung wealth ay 5%. Sa kabilang dako, yung business owner saka yung investor, 5% lang sa population. Yung 95%, ang 95% ng kayamanan ay nai-enjoy nila. So, dapat nyo pong malaman na huwag tayong mag-stay sa employee at self-employed. Dapat i-shift natin ang ating category to business owner saka investor. Building the base for billion-dollar success. So, ang goal natin dito is we must focus on our goal. The Golden Gate vision and billion-dollar mindset. Playing the long game, refusing to think small, solving problems, not avoiding them, bigger picture, scalability, legacy creation. Number 2 is building your why to power your journey. I want to pay off my parents' mortgage in the next 5 years so they can retire stress-free. Visible link to action. Daily habits of top MLM leaders. Why habits matter. Your habits will determine your future far more than your talent or circumstances. The leaders earning 6 and 7 figures in MLM do not rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. Core habits for Golden Gate success. Morning mindset routine, 30 minutes of reading, affirmations, and visualization before checking your phone. Number 2, daily prospecting. Minimum 5 to 10 quality conversations every day. Number 3, follow-up rhythm. Follow up with every prospect within 48 hours. Number 4, personal development. At least 20 to 30 minutes of learning daily, books, audio, webinar. Number 5, networking and relationship building. Not just selling, but genuinely connecting. Tested by neuroscience monks and peak performers. 10 ways to unlock your unlimited potential. So the Muhammad Ali effect, rewire your identity first. Number 2 is time perception hack. 5-5-5 rules, 5 hours, 5 weeks, 5 months, and 5 years. Default mode, network shutdown. Grow, clarity, focus. Number 4, neuroplasticity sleep formula. Peak synaptic consolidation, 10:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. Number 5 is pain rewiring, cold hunger silence. Number 6, mental diet discipline, inspiration, sharpen dopamine circuit. Number 7, mental math programming uses number to hack confidence, micro wins, dopamine spike progress, pleasure. Number 8, NLP anchoring technique, tap, deep breathing, face palm, 10 times you will feel peak energy. Number 9, mirror-based authority loop, 2 minutes affirmation. Number 10, sensory visualization drill, 5 minutes visualization every morning. Imagination plus emotion, brain programming on steroids. So dapat i-practice natin ang mga ito. With only 55 million tokens ever created, GGFC has scarcity, meaning its value can rise with growing demand. Once fully public, market supply and demand will determine its price, creating natural growth potential. Yan po yung JJFC natin na mayroon po siyang scarcity kasi ang na-create lang is 55 million. JJFC token utilities. Ang JJFC ay magagamit natin sa Big Win game exclusively for the members. Kailangan gagamitin nilang payment to qualify for the Big Win game is JJFC token. Number 2 is staking program. Mayroon po tayong staking program sa JJFC token. Pwede rin natin gamitin as utility rewards at trading on exchanges. Kasi naka-listed na po ang JJFC sa mga exchange. Number 4 is e-commerce platform. Staking program. Monthly ROI, annual ROI, ay makukuha natin pag nag-stake po tayo. Mayroon po tayong 3 months, mayroon ding 6 months, 12 months, at 24 months. For 3 months, mayroon kayong monthly ROI na 3%, annual ROI is 9%. Sa 6 months naman, 4% ang monthly ROI, 24% sa annual ROI. 12 months, 5% ang monthly, 60 ang annual, at yung pang-apat ay yung 24 months na kung saan 6% ang monthly ROI at ang total ROI annually is 144%. Kaya ang gawin nyo, mag-stake na kayo at i-hold nyo ang JJFC token at pag tumaas ang value, pwede nyo po itong ibenta. So, example of value growth of JJFC. If you hold 1,000 JJFC at 0.15 USDT, your value is 150. Basta meron kayong 1,000 JJFC token. Pag naging 0.50 naman US dollar, USDT, your value is 500 USDT. Yan yung magiging equivalent. Pag ang value is 0.50 USDT. Pag naging 1 USDT, mayroon kayong 1,000 USDT sa 1,000 JJFC token. Ganon din 2%, 2,000, $3 for 1,000 JJFC, magiging 3,000 USDT ang value ng 1,000 JJFC ninyo. And so forth and so on. Hanggang pag naging 500 ang wallets, by 2030 wallets, holders, 100,000 community. Kaya habang nagiging scarce or nagiging konti ang GGFC, yung availability niya is nagiging scarcity, nagiging kunti lang. Ibig sabihin, tumataas ang value ng JJFC. Yun po yung concept dito sa example of value growth ng JJFC. Kaya ang strategy dyan, dapat po tayong mag-hold at pag tumaas ang value ng JJFC, doon na tayo magsimulang gamitin ang token natin kasi mataas na yung value. Halimbawa, 55 million tapos 50,000 na yung nakakuha ng GGFC, 1,100 na lang ang distribution nito sa 50,000 na yon. Kaya the demand is high, ibig sabihin magiging mataas ang value. What after 2035 or 2040, already 1 million community involved? lalong magiging scarce ang JJFC token natin in the year 2035 at 2040. So, may mga challenges tayo sa business na to. Being challenged in life is inevitable. Hindi natin maiiwasan ang mga challenges. Being defeated is optional. Being challenged in life is inevitable. Being defeated is optional. Kaya nasa atin kung magpapatalo po tayo sa mga challenges na to. This beast starts on you and ends on you. So many ups and downs hit beat. Don't be distracted by criticism. Remember, the only taste of success some people have is when they take a bite out of you. So ito yung mga may encounter nating mga challenges. Number one is rejection. Nandiyan ang boycott. Nandiyan din ang disrespect. Pang-apat, resistance. Habitual at reward. Yan naman ang makakantam natin pag ginawa natin yung kung na-meet natin yung mga challenges, kung na-overcome natin, makakakuha tayo ng reward at respect sa bandang huli. So, 7 building blocks of Golden Gate. Golden Gate success doesn't happen by chance. It happens by following a proven system. The 7-step success system gives every new distributor a clear, repeatable process to follow. Whether you're just starting or building a team, mastering these 7 steps will lead to growth and duplication. Know your why. Pinakauna sa step ay know your why. Pangalawa, make a contact list, at least 200 contact lists, and you can add every day. Number 3 is invite. Pag nag-invite po tayo, dapat po excited because we're nag-o-offer tayo ng opportunity sa kanila. Number 4 is present the business. Pag nag-present tayo ng business, dapat with confidence. Kasi ang ino-offer natin is not a simple business but $1 million business. Number 5, follow up and close. Napaka-importanting step. Kailangan may close natin ang ating client. Number 6, after ng closing is training. Number 7 is follow the system and duplication. So, yan yung mga napaka-importanting system, the 7-step success system na ginagawa ng Golden Gate. So, Golden Gate success blueprint, number 1 is prospecting mastery, constantly adding new people to your contact list. That's number 1. Number 2, presentation skills, learning to deliver the Golden Gate story effectively. Kailangan alam nyo kung paano nagsimula ang Golden Gate. I-present natin ng maayos yung mga projects nila. Follow-up excellence, 80% of sales happen after 5 follow-ups. Number 4, duplication and training. Teach others exactly what you do. Kailangan kung ano yung ginawa ng leaders nyo, gawin mo, at kung ano yung gagawin mo, sabihin mo rin sa uh, mga uh, mga prospect mo. Kasi ang ginagawa mo ay dapat gawin din ng mga tao mo. Kaya tinawag nating duplication. Number 5, personal development. Your income will rarely exceed your personal growth. Understanding the 80 to 20 rule. In MLM, 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. This means focus on income producing activities, calls, meetings, presentation. Limit busy work organizing files, tweaking slides endlessly. Golden Gate Success Blueprint. Dream, purpose, commitment, goals. Pag mayroon tayong goals, be smart. Ibig sabihin ng smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. discipline, consistency, adaptability, personal growth, mentorship, motivation, teamwork, law of leverage. Halimbawa, meron kang 10 ina-invite, ang 10 na yon, 4 lang yung mag-show up. Doon sa mag-show up, 3 yung open-minded. Yung pangatlo, yung dalawa doon sa 3, negative, isa lang yung mag-join. Ang ating business is a number game. Mas marami, mas maganda. Halimbawa, 10, 4, 4 lang yung nag-appear. Tapos doon sa 4, 3 yung open-minded. Yung isa, negative. 3, committed. Tapos yung dalawa, negative. At isa yung nag-join. Kaya number game ang secret ng law of leverage. I-compare naman natin ngayon yung job salary sa Golden Gate potential income. Halimbawa, may 30 days, in 1 month, ibig sabihin 3,000 dirhams ang nare-receive mo as an employee. Yan yung nare-receive mo sa job at yung salary. Sa kabilang dako, ang Golden Gate potential income is 500 US USDT bawat araw. Sa 12 months, ang ma-receive mong pag empleyado ka sa salary mo is 36,000, samantalang sa Golden Gate ang potential income is 180,000 within 24 months or year. Kung compare nyo, mas malaki na yung potential income sa Golden Gate. Pag 5 years, ang potential income mo or ang income mo is 180,000 after 5 years, samantalang sa Golden Gate, ang potential income is 10 million 800,000 USDT. When making plans, think big. When making progress, think small. Our strengths grows out of our weaknesses. A wise man should have money in his head, but not in his heart. We predict the future, invest in real estate, win big, and grow with GGFC token. So ito yung power of duplication. Halimbawa, ikaw yan, sa isang buwan, mayroon kang 3 naipasok. Sa pangalawang buwan, mayroon kang naipasok na 3. Yung 3 naipasok mo, gagawin din yung ginawa mo. Ang total na tao mo na under your organization is siyam. Sa third month o pangatlong buwan, yung siyam mo ay magiging 27. Sa pang-apat na buwan, magiging 81. Pang-limang buwan, 243. Pang-anim na buwan, 729. Pang-pitong buwan, 2,187. Pang-walong buwan, 6,561. Sa pang-siyam na buwan, mayroon kayong 19,683. Sa pang-sampo, mayroon kayong 59,049. Sa pang-11th na buwan, mayroon kayong 177,147 under your organization. Ika-12 month, mayroon kang 531,441. At ito yung mga income or yung bonus. Halimbawa, 10%, mayroon kang 30 USDT. Sa pangalawang buwan, mayroon kang 63, that is equivalent to 7%, 6%, 162, 5%, 405, 4%, 972, 2%, 1,458, another 2%, 4,374, 1%, 6,561, 1%, 19,683. 0.25%, mayroon kang 14,762. 0.25%, meron kang 44,286. Yan po yung pang-11 na buwan. Tapos sa isang taon or yung 12 months, meron kang 182,860 USDT. So total ng kinita mo for the whole month or for the whole year is 225,616 USDT. Pag kinonvert natin yan sa rupees, uh, magiging 31,360,624. Pagpalagay natin na kalahati lang yung pumasok sa organization mo. Instead na lahat ay nagsumama, 50% lang. Mayroon ka pa ring kita na 15,680,312 rupees. So yan po yung makukuha mo kung 50%. So ano ang time leveraging? Ang time leveraging habang habang nagtatagal ka sa business na to, pag ginagawa mo yung system, yung time leveraging na tinatawag natin, yung concept ng time leveraging, habang lumalaki yung organization mo, lumalaki ang kita mo. Saka yung oras mo ay lumiliit. Yan ang concept ng time leveraging. Dito sa una na graph na nakalagay dyan sa screen nyo, ito yung haba ng trabaho mo at yung income mo ay maliit. Pero habang tumatagal, lumalaki yung income mo at yung trabaho mo ay ah, kahit umiiksi yung trabaho mo, lumalaki naman yung kita mo. Yan yung concept ng time leveraging. So, ito yung isa sa mga goal natin na dapat pag-aralan para ma-leverage natin yung time natin at ito rin yung itinuturo ng Golden Gate, time leveraging. Napaka-importante yan. So, action plan, ito yung mga different ranks at ang goal natin is to become president. From representative, dapat ma-achieve natin yung president position. So, ito yung celebrate every milestone, overcome with every obstacles. It is a journey of progress that defines true success. So, ito yung action plan. Kailangan meron kang tatlong legs at yung tatlong legs mo ay gawin mo ring uh, leaders ng para makaroon din sila ng tatlong legs. Yun yung power of duplication. Dito na natin i-apply lahat ng mga concept na napag-aralan natin sa sa training na to. Yung action plan natin. Kailangan mayroon tayong time leverage para ma-achieve natin yung president position. So, why Golden Gate? Ba't tayo magjo-join sa Golden Gate? Maraming reason. Una, yung wala tayong non-previous experience required. Pag nag-apply tayo dito, hindi na natin hahanapin yung yung working experience, yung academic achievement, hindi na natin siya hahanapin kasi ang Golden Gate open sa lahat ng tao. Ang opportunity ay para sa lahat at hindi lang sa mga may natapos o dun sa mga may experience na trabaho. Open po sa lahat ang Golden Gate business. Number two is low startup cost. Ang Golden Gate ay hindi naman siya business na kailangan mong mag-invest ng malaking amount. Hindi mo kailangang mag-invest ng milyon sa business na to. Kaya ito ay low start-up cost. Maliit lang yung puhunan dito. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang business na kailangan mong mag-invest ng malaking amount. Paano pag nalugi ka, di nawala yung pera mo. Pero dito, maliit lang yung puhunan at may chance ka pang yumaman. Number three is mayroon kang real estate portfolio dito sa Dubai. Kasi ang real estate dito sa Dubai ay para lang sa mga mayayaman, yung may mga financially capable na bumili ng real estate property sa Dubai. Pag member ka ng Golden Gate, mayroon kang chance na maging co-owner ng real estate property. Kaya real estate portfolio in Dubai ay qualified ka once na naging member ka ng Golden Gate. You can lead your team. Magkakaroon ka rin ng team na pwede mong i-lead, pwede mo ring i-supervise, pwede mo ring i-guide, pwede mo rin turuan ng mga concept na tinuturo ko ngayon at para maging duplicable ang iyong mga ginagawa. Dapat ituro mo sa kanila lahat ng natutunan mo para i-duplicate nila yung ginagawa mo. You are the manager of your team. Yan din ang isa sa mga reason why kailangan. Kasi dito magiging manager ka, ah, magiging manager ka ng iyong organization, yung team mo. Kailangan i-manage mo sila, ituro mo kung ano yung dapat para maging successful din sila sa Golden Gate business. Job flexibility. Pag ang tinatawag nating job flexibility, kahit nasaan ka man, ah, kahit wala ka sa office, pwede mong gawin yung Golden Gate business. Nasa Pilipinas ka man, nasa bakasyon ka man, nasa pamilya mo, na-enjoy mo yung family mo, very flexible. Pwede mong gawin yung business. Basta mayroon kang mobile or mayroon kang laptop, anywhere pwede mong gawin. Mayroon ka ring chance na magkaroon ng passive income opportunity. Yung passive income, kahit natutulog ka, kahit kung nasaan ka, may chance kang makareceive ng malaking amount. Pwedeng 5,000 5,000 or 500 every hour. Yun ang potential na income mo dito. Kahit hindi mo ginagawa yung business mismo, ginagawa na rin ng mga tao sa under your organization. High income potential. Ang potential ng income dito ay malaki. Personal growth, uh, leave a legacy, pwede mong ipamana to sa mga anak mo. Kunwari, nag-expire ka na o namatay ka na, pwede mong ipamana sa anak mo. Kaya you can leave a legacy to your family, to your nominees. At ang huli, dahil financially stable ka, mayroon kang time freedom, financial freedom, mayroon kang mayroon kang peace of mind. Wala ka nang masyadong iniisip. Kasi ang isa sa mga problema ngayon ay ang pera. Wala kang peace of mind if you are not financially stable or hindi ka, wala kang time freedom. So, dito nagtatapos ang presentation natin, itong training about Golden Gate Success Blueprint. Salamat. See you on the top.
Minus. Pas, di,